scattered pieces and made a brand new vessel of mine.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Ang awitin po na inyong narinig is When He Saved Me. At sa umagang ito ay pag-uusapan po natin ang patungkol sa langit, no? Ano ba ang meron sa langit? 2 Peter chapter 3 verse 8, ito po pagkasabi, With the Lord, one day is 1,000 years, and 1,000 years as one day. So heaven is not a fictitious place of the gods, but is a real abode of the saints. Hindi lang po siya katang-isip lang ng tao ang langit. Maraming mga tao, ano bang meron sa langit? But I want to tell you, it's a promise of God beyond the comprehension of man. Maging mga pag-aaral ngayon, no? Maging ang siyensya ay meron nakikita sa kalawakan na hindi pa nila mapaliwanag. Some of this project was called the Kepler project, no? At nakita nila itong isang planeta, Planet Kepler, which is a very good place to be with. But the problem is, it takes 1,000 years bago makarating ang tao doon. So it's impossible for a man to get there. But the scientist or the NASA found it, mga kapatid, na napakagandang lugar. So what does it mean for us? It might be sa kanila nakita nila ito, but it's not promised for them. But the Lord Jesus Christ gives us a promise that He will be with us throughout eternity. He will get us from this planet and will take us to the other dimensions. God doesn't promise a heaven on earth, but a new earth in heaven. Yun ang sabi niya sa book of Revelation. There will be a new earth in heaven. Now, what I mean with heaven is hindi po yung nakikita ninyo sa kalawakan. Heaven is beyond that, mga kapatid, no? First heaven lang po yan nakikita nyo sa kalawakan ngayon. Of course, tinatawag din natin yung langit. But the abode of God is another place, mga kapatid. There's a new heaven and a new earth prepared by God for His children. Life on earth is just a temporary assignment, but eternity is too long compared to it. Kung titingnan natin, ang eternity ay napakahaba po compared sa ating buhay dito sa mundo ito. Kahit mabuhay pa tayo ng 100 years dito, it is still too short compared to the time that we have to spend with the Lord. Jesus is preparing a place for us and preparing us for that place. Lord, my dear brothers and sisters, this is my challenge. You don't have to worry kung wala kang tahanan ngayon, because God promised a home in that eternal place. God is waiting for us, waiting na tayo po'y papasok sa kanyang kaharian at sinabi, anak, tumuloy ka, mahal kita. So my dear brothers and sisters, huwag tayong panghinaan ng loob, because heaven is a real place. If hell is real, heaven is also real. Kung titingnan natin, hell, pastor, totoo ba yung impyerno na yan? Yes, it's true. Tingnan mo na lang yung core ng earth natin, totoong may impyerno. And of course, we know that there is a true heaven because Jesus ascended up to heaven to prepare a place for His children. My dear brothers and sisters, hindi lang hanggang dito ang ating hope, but our hope also is in eternity. So have this hope in our life and keep on believing on the Lord Jesus Christ. God bless po.